How to check your saved Instagram password on your iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is just go and load up the Instagram app and then click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side. You can now click on the settings bar in the top right, click on Account Center. You can then scroll down and click on Password and Security. Click on Saved Login, select your Facebook account from the list, and just make sure saved login information is turned on and enabled like this. And once you've done that, you can close out of Instagram. You're then going to use the search box on your phone and go and search for passwords and open up the Passwords app. Click on the search box at the bottom of this page, go and search for Instagram and go and select the Instagram account that you want to reveal the password for. You can then just click on the password field and that's going to show you your Instagram password. Now, if you can't find your password from this page here, then what you can do instead is go and open up an internet browser. You can then head over to the Google website and go and sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, then select Manage your Google account. In the top navigation, scroll across and click on Security. You can then scroll down this page and underneath Password Manager, click on Manage Passwords. Click on the search box and then once again, we're going to search for Instagram and then you can click on Instagram like so. Now this is another place that you can check for any saved passwords, and once again you can just click on the password field in order to go and reveal that password. So let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.